Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. Just carrying out servicing on a Hamworthy Purewell Classic 120 Auto. I've taken out the burners and I'm going to give them a brush down. So I've got my brush out, giving it a little clean. So some of these, once I finish cleaning it, some of them have particles that block the hose. Don't know if you can see any here. Let's have a look. So if you see any blockages, you can use a safety pin, but don't make the hose any bigger, just enough to unblock the hose if you want to go that extensive into cleaning it. And I've taken my combustion reading before cleaning the burners, and I'm going to check afterwards, and then I'm going to make some adjustments to high and low burner pressures. So as you can see over here, it's been removed. There's my hot surface igniter. I can do a little resistance test on here, and then also clean up the flame detection and check where it is. Okay, now I'm checking the resistance on the hot surface igniter. I've got 126. I'm going to compare it to another one that I found on site. So I've got 126. Okay, we've got another one on site, and it is reading 130.8. Pretty similar. And now I found another hot surface igniter on the site. So this one is 108.8. So I'm changing the hot surface igniter. I'm putting in the one that I checked last. This one looks like it has good resistance, and also not only that, it looks like it's barely been used in comparison to the other one on the right hand side. So I'm going to pop this one in and see how he does. Okay, now we have the appliance reconnected. We've done a tightness test, and now we are ready to turn the boiler on. Ignition. Okay, you can check our burner pressure on low. Got 1.4 there on low. Okay, according to the manufacturer's instructions, they want 1.2 millibar on low fire and 11 millibar on high. It looks like we're pretty close on low. Okay, it's gone up to high fire now. Let's wait for it to stabilize. Still stabilizing. Okay, so fluid temperature is up now to 201. It's getting pretty high. Our combustion readings are okay. I was hoping for the carbon monoxide to be a bit lower, considering we gave it a little clean. The burner pressure is bang on 11 millibar. Okay, I have removed my high-low connection with my long nose pliers, and I've got 1.1 millibar on low, quite happy with my burner pressure. I'm not going to adjust it at all, and now I'm going to get my combustion readings in low. I reckon the boiler is going to cut out soon because I believe it's reaching temperature. So I'm going to print off my readings once they stabilize. Okay, let's have a little comparison of what the unit is saying when I had, before I gave it a clean down and so on. So this is my low beforehand, combustion readings. So yeah, this is today, my low. And then when I had it in high, this is my high readings. This is after cleaning in low. Apologies, in high. After cleaning, this is it in high fire. And this is it in low fire after cleaning. That's how it goes. So low fire after cleaning, high fire after cleaning. You've got to remember that the numbers fluctuate, the combustion fluctuates, so take it with a pinch of salt. Although it doesn't look as though the reading I got is a more efficient reading. But some adjustments could be made to bring the readings down, but I want to keep it in line with what the manufacturer recommend the burner pressure should be, and then also have the combustion readings good too. All right, thank you for joining me. Until next time, bye.